The Rock and Racing Golden Rage moving up Senor Elijah running by the rail. Pleasant Girl down on the inside. Easter Hope then followed by Wow Wow West pass and free second last, and trailing the group is Alitas Choice past the last 800. Senor Elijah in command by about 2 lengths. Easter Hope now in second. Pleasant Girl drops back in third. Golden Rage racing in fourth. Down in fifth. Wow Wow West and Dottie outside moving up pass and free. Alitas Choice still in behind them as they turn to the final 450 meters. It's still Senor Elijah in command, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Easter Hope remains in second. Running by the rail is Pleasant Girl with the last 150 more to run. Is still setting the pace. This one is entry number 5. Senor Elijah by about 4 lengths now. Moving up to take second, Fast and Free and Dory outside. Alitas Choice. And finally, Senor Elijah. Fast and Free, Alitas Choice. Then comes Pleasant Girl, Wow Wow West, Easter Hope, and Golden Rage comes in last.